everyone, welcome back to Anko Vigyan. In today's class, we will be learning a very important topic which is extremely important for those of you who are watching this video for English second paper practice. And today's topic is pronoun referencing. A pronoun is, as I've already said, it is one of the parts of speeches, and we use a pronoun in order to write something in the placement of another English word. Therefore, we can say that a pronoun is any member of a small class of words found in many languages that are used as replacement or substitutes for nouns. This is why the name is actually pro and nouns. We already know what are nouns, right? Nouns are the names of anything. So if I talk about something which is a proper noun, let's say your name. So your name in particular is a proper noun. If I want to write anything in the place of your name, the thing that I will write is called a pronoun. Let's say right now the person who is taking your English class is Promi. If I say that Promi Apu is our English teacher, Promi Apu is writing on the board, Promi Apu is taking a class on pronoun referencing, continuously if I use the word Promi, it will be very repetitive and it will not sound good at all. So in that case, we will start off the sentence by using Promi in the first sentence, and in the second two sentences, the second and third sentences, we can actually use the word she or her and so on as her representatives. So we see how in the case of many nouns, we can use these words like I, you, he, this, it, who, what, and so on in order to be substitutes for nouns. So to start off, we have to understand the different types of pronouns as you can see here. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, relative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. So we will be talking about each of these pronouns in depth in today's video.